Here we're going to show a micro snake robot made up of multiple micro robots connected by a flexible thread. And first we show we can wiggle some segments of it. So we go in different directions and actually go over the side and pull back. Here's a set of 4 arrays. Each array is balanced as many positive poles upward as negative poles downwards. There's 32 magnets in each. Those top little magnets you see in the center are to balance the magnetic dipole moment. And you can see we can move them around as a unit. They're spaced 2 millimeters apart from their edges. And now you'll see what happens. They're designed to be repulsive locally, but globally they're neutral, as I mentioned. So here we'll take the power off that's holding them together. And you see they split apart due to the repulsive forces. Here we have a 3x3 array of micro robots, and we'll show the motion of that in 1 second. But first we're going to show the single micro robot, which is virtually identical to each one of those. Is unable to get past this 0.9 millimeter bump on the work surface. So you see it just kind of bumps up against it and fails to get over. But if we do the whole array, we can show that it can navigate it. It goes right over it.